Good day everyone! Welcome to my channel. I am Ashley Josh B. Sabayton from 1CBS Edman. So in this video, I will be discussing to you the integers. What is integers? An integer is the number 0, a positive natural number, or the negation of a positive natural number. The negations or additive inverses of the positive natural numbers are referred to as negative integers. The set of all integers is often denoted by the voltage C or blackboard bulb. So let's now proceed to the rules for adding integers. So when the sign of two integers is both positive, you're going to add the numbers. And the answer would be positive sign. So for example, 4 plus 3 equals 7. As indicated, they are both positive, so the answer would be positive. And now, when the sign of integers are both negative, you are also going to add the numbers, and the answer sign would be negative. So, for example, negative 5 plus negative 3 equals negative 8. If the sign of integers are different, for example, positive plus negative, you're going to subtract both integers and use the sign of the integer with bigger absolute value. For example, 6 plus negative 2 equals 4. You're going to copy the sign of a larger number, which is the 6. The 6 is positive, so the answer would be positive. And another example, when the sign of integers are negative plus positive, you're also going to subtract. Then, for example, negative 9 plus 4 equals negative 5. Since the negative 9 is the larger number with negative sign, you're going to copy the negative and the answer would be negative. So the result is negative 5. So let's proceed to rules for multiplying integers. When the sign of integers is both positive, you're going to multiply, and the answer would be positive. So 5 times 7 equals 35, positive 35. And when the sign of integers are both negative, in multiplication, the answer would be positive. So negative 6 times negative 4 equals positive 24. So when the sign of integers are different, positive times negative, in multiplication, the sign you would follow is the negative. So 3 times negative 5 equals negative 15, since the signs are different. So if the sign of integers are negative times positive in multiplication, the answer would be negative. So for example, the negative 4 times positive 9 equals negative 36, since both integers have different sign. So let's proceed now to rules for dividing integers. So when the sign of integers are both positive, in division, the answer would be positive. So positive 24 divided by 6 equals 4. So when the sign of integers are both negative in division, the answer would be positive. So negative 15 divided by negative 3 equals positive 5. So when the sign of integers are different, positive divided by negative, in division, the answer would be negative. So for example, 42 divided by negative 7 equals negative 6. Another one, when the sign of integers are different, negative divided by positive, in division, the answer would be negative. So for example, negative 10 plus 5 equals negative 2. Since the both integers have different sign, the answer would be negative. So, thank you for watching. Hope you learned something, and please like, share, and subscribe in my channel. Thank you very much.